Types of plants.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
The role of plants is very important in our lives. We are dependent on the plants for our food, oxygen, wood, medicines, etc. We see different plants around us. Some are tall, some are short. Their body parts such as leaves, flowers, fruits, stem and roots are also different.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
For understanding all these plants, we have classified them into different categories. These are trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, etc. Let's learn about them. Trees. Some plants are very tall. They have thick and strong stem. The stem is divided into branches higher upon the stem. Such plants are called trees. They have a big brown woody stem which is called trunk. They need large space for spreading their branches. Usually, they live for longer time. Examples: coconut tree, neem tree, ashoka tree, mango tree, pine tree, banyan tree, etc. Shrubs. Some plants are short. They have hard but thin stem. Usually, the stem have branches at the base near the ground. Such plants are called shrubs. They does not have a single trunk. Instead, they have many thin, brown, woody stems. These plants need smaller space for spreading their branches. Usually, they live for shorter time.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Examples: rose plant, cotton plant, hibiscus plant, etc. Herbs. Some plants are even shorter than shrubs. They have weak, thin and green stems. It is sufficiently strong to let the plant stand upright on the ground. Such plants are called herbs. The stem of herbs does not have many branches. These plants take very little space and have short lifetime. Example: aloe vera, tulsi, wheat, coriander, spinach, paddy, etc.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Creepers. There are some plants which have soft, weak and green stems. Plants could not stand on such stem and so they spread on the ground. Such plants are creepers. Examples: pumpkin, watermelon, etc. Climbers. Similar to creepers, some plants have soft, weak and green stems. They can stand upright. However, instead of spreading on ground, these plants have tendrils with which they take the support of surrounding objects and climb up in vertical direction. Such plants are called climbers. Example: bitter gourd, pea plant, bean plant, bottle gourd, bougainvillea, etc. I hope you understood this video very well. Thanks for watching this video. Have a look at range of courses available in variety of formats only on learnfatafat.com. Your favorite course is waiting for you. So hurry up and get it now.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.